That oil's too thick, isn't it?
I've got it back firing. Cut it out. I only put a tiny bit in. I'll put a tiny little bit in then.
To mix a bit of two-stroke and that together. Before smoke.
What's the butt point for the car? You know, my finger off.
You pause it, yeah?
Oh, another half an hour then.
Flame it.
Another half an hour then.
Put the two-stroke in.
I did have it in both.
That's too thick, I reckon. That sounds good. It's not blowing no flame out though. There's no flame coming out. It's just popping.
What?
It's just popping, there's no flame. No. What's she gonna do?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do?
Yeah, man.
Bastard. Bastard bitch. Hold the thing.
Whoa, two-stroke.
It was proper banging.
Oh, you bastard, pull me back. Back up at me. It blew back up at me.
Told you the lawnmower slowed up now.
No, it blew straight back up. The flame hit me in the hand. Took the air off.
What was underneath the lawnmower on fire?
I don't know.
Just look quick.
Oh!
Underneath some focus.
Hey?
The underneath on fire.
Move it, have a look.
Look. Look.
Was it done? Have a look quick.
It's the blade.
Smoking crisp. Look, see it?
Move it, have a look.
It's the blade.
Yeah.
It's digging in the floor.
There's still something on fire. Oh.
That's from the bottom of the sump. Smoke coming out the sump.
Hey?
There's smoke coming out the bottom of the sump of the engine. Watch it. Boy, where the blade is.
Yeah.
This is that's what I'm doing from Batchcroft. I pulled a muscle.
Listen, Chris.
I gotta stop a minute. Oh,
Listen,
I'm gonna walk. Oh, my back's gone, cuz. I'm gonna have to go down. She's had it. It's popped a hole in the bottom. Smoke coming out different ends.
Three ends is going out.
Dead.
Hey?
Dead.
It's on the sound, Chris.
Stop from the phone then.
Right?
She's had it.
glowing red, that is.
It's not red, is it? Right. Tell you what happened second stage, didn't it?
Hey?
That's a pretty noise, different. Yeah, that's how it was when I used it. Oh, it's that. Oh, it's dropping well, isn't it? That's when everyone's going red. I held it to drop, son. How good was it?
It's proper red.
Look, we've been having a look. Long as it's like that, it's alright. Have a look, see it. I can't see it. In the exhaust actually glowing. What's it glowing?
Dunno.
Make it backfire again. That's backfiring now, that one. Can't roll the fast then, because
Hey?
roll the fast. Look, look at it. Look. Look, it's still on top.
I dunno.
Just see, sorry, because I thought I stayed wide open, not even released back.
Yeah,
Hey?
she's had it.
The box still going.
Stuck wide open.
You're doing it again now.
That was glowing red.
That one barely, I didn't really put them in then. But you seized. But you won't put them now. Solid.
That's it. There's no compressor.
Hold that there. Ah.